Hello and welcome to DJA Tech. My name is Godwin and I'm going to be showing you how to design a one-page website using Canva on your Android phone. Designing a website doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With Canva, you can create a beautiful website in just minutes. If you're not a designer, don't worry. Canva is easy to use. Anyone can create a stunning website with Canva. Not sure where to start? Watch this video and I'll show you how to design a one-page website using Canva step by step. Creating a website without spending a fortune with Canva or without any knowledge of coding. You can also do this on your laptop or your desktop with the same process. We are going to be creating a one-page website for a singular purpose. You can use it for a landing page of whatsoever. Whatever business you are doing, be it a small scale business, you need it to put out your business online in order to get potential buyers for your business. Now let's go to the website. If you're using your laptop or your desktop computer, you're going to be typing canva.com, or if you're using your Android phone, you just open the app. You download the app from Play Store, Canva, then you open the app. You see the home page. This is Canva, and first of all you need to have an account with Canva. You create an account with Canva and log in. I have an account with Fiverr, so I'm going to log in. Okay, I'll be logging into Canva now. Before we log in, you need to put everything in place that you want to use for creating this website, like the information you want to use for the home page and every other thing you'll be needing for the website creation, so that you will not be going up and down looking for things to use, like the pictures, the logos and everything, because we are going to be using templates though. So you just be editing the templates and you customize it to the way you want it. So now I've logged in. You can see I've done some projects on Canva. If we're going to be starting, you can click on this purple button here, this plus sign here. You can click on it, or you click on this search button at the top of the screen. So let's click on it. Now you're going to type websites. You just type in the one you want. Let's say website for landing page. Let's see if they have that. Website for landing page. Okay, let's just click on this website first and see. Okay, now these are some templates for websites on Canva. You can see some that are having pro on it and some are having paid. Those ones are premium websites. You cannot use them for free. You need to upgrade your account to a premium account for you to be able to use them. But these free ones here, we can use these free ones for our tutorial. You can use it for your business as well. They are free. You can use them. So you just look for the ones you want to use, then you click on it. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on my channel. Okay, it has loaded up now. So what you're going to be doing, you see this plus sign here, is what you'll be using to edit everything inside this website. Or let's use something like this. Let's use this one here. Okay, you see inside this page now there are 9 pages. I won't call it page because it's just a one-page website. Let's say 9 parts of it. So you click on apply all pages. You click on apply all pages. All of it has been loaded, and if you want to preview the website, let's say you've done some editing, you can edit almost everything here. If you don't like this picture, you can take it off and upload your own picture. Look at all the tools here you can use, even this plus sign button. And once you're done, you want to preview your website, you click on this sign here that looks like an eye. Once you click on it, you allow it to load. Okay, you see the preview of your website. This is for desktop mode. You see desktop mode view, and let's go for the Android phone view. This is for Android phone view, a one-page website. So now let's go back, let's do some editing. Let's edit it. If you want to edit it, just click on it. It will bring up your keyboard for you to type. Say DGA Tech DGA Tech. Okay, portfolio. Okay, that's good. Like this image. Let's change this image. Let's just put something like a YouTube picture there. You click on photos. You can use any photos here. You just search for the photo you want and it's going to bring it out for you. You click on the search button. Then you type the keyword you're looking for. I'm looking for YouTube picture, so I'm going to type YouTube. Then I'll hit the search button. Okay, it's going to load up for me. Let's say, which one should I use? Okay, let me use this. Some of them are pro version here, but let me just use this. Okay, so let's delete this other one that is here. You click on it, then you click on this delete button above. Delete. Then we drag this to fit. Let's drag it to fit. You bring it down. Let's shorten this. Yeah, this is good. So that's it. Okay, it's covering some parts of these tests. Let's shift the tests a bit to the left. And this, let's shift it a bit to the left as well. Okay, that's good. So DGA Tech, let's centralize it. Let's shift it to the left. Then the portfolio, let's shift it to the left as well. Okay, that's good. Then this is the second part. You can scroll. When you click on this test, if you want to edit it, then you click on it. It will say I am a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber. My channel name is DGA Tech. Then here, let's continue. You say I create videos on how to make money online. How to make money online and how to create websites. How to create websites. I also teach how to create a Binance account and how to buy dollar on Binance. You just do your introduction here on this part. Here is just to do your introduction so that people will know what that is your bio, and you can still change this picture as well. Once you're done with this, you still scroll to the right. You just edit. You can edit almost everything here. You just do your editing, make it look good to your taste. If you want to add anything, you click on this plus button, you click on test, or if you have any picture on your phone, you click on upload to upload the picture. Once you click on upload, you click on image. Okay, then you click on this upload an image or video. You can also upload a video to this your website. So it's that easy. Now let's add a video to our website. I just want to talk on that so that you won't be limited to just pictures and texts. Let's add a video to our website. Let's say the front page of our website. Let's go to the first page, or the first part rather. Scroll to the left. Okay, let's put it in the second. Yes, the second part. So if you want to add a video to your website, you click on the plus button, you click on video, then you click on upload an image or video. Now you click on upload an image or video. You go to the file manager and you select where the video is. And let's look for a video to add to this. Just a short video. It's just for practice. Okay, let's look for a short video to add. Short videos. Okay, I have lots of short videos here. Let me select this video. Okay, you see the video is uploading. You allow the video to upload.
You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You are my sweetie pie. You are my cupcake, gumdrops, snickums, pickums. You're the apple of my.
On your website, like your customers, you can edit this video. Let's say you make it the playback. Okay, autoplay. It's on autoplay. You put it on loop video so that when it finishes, it will still start from the beginning and play from the beginning again. You can reduce the size, the transparency. You can make it transparent. You can make it show bold, and anyhow you want to just edit it to your taste. And you can increase the speed and reduce the speed anyhow it is that you want it. So that's how you can edit your one-page website. Now let's publish our one-page website. Now you click on this top desktop button here that is facing up, this arrow button. You click on it, you allow it to load. Okay, you see Canva is going to give you a free domain name. You don't have to pay for it. And you see this place they wrote without navigation. This means when someone is on your page, it doesn't need any navigation. It's just to scroll down. But if you put with navigation, that's going to bring a menu for them to jump to any part of the website they want to go to, like the about section or any section they want to go to. But since you're doing a one-page website, you don't need to add any navigation. So you click on continue. Okay, now they say you should choose your subdomain name. Like I'm going to use DGA channel. You can use anything relating to your business. Okay, that's it. DGA channel. They say you can edit your subdomain that's later. You can edit it later. Whenever you feel like editing it, you can edit it. You click on continue. Okay, when you click on continue, here you're going to do description of your website. You can say my website is about bringing you the best of my YouTube videos. Anything your business is about, just write it in this description so that your customers will know what you're dealing with. All right, now enable password protection. This simply means whoever wants to visit your website must input this password for them to visit your website. Without the password, nobody can visit the website. But let's remove that. We don't need it. And hide my website from search engine. That means nobody can search your website on Google or any place and they can find. Nobody can search it. But let's remove that. It's not advisable. Now we click on publish. Now your website is uploading. Is publishing the website now. Okay, your website have been published. You're going to copy the link to your website. You click on this copy here. Like to me, this website link is long. Okay, I'm going to show you a way to shorten the link so that it won't be that long. So let's preview our website. Click on view website. You can see the video. The video is playing here. You can see it. See, the video is playing. Okay, let's paste our link on the search button to see how it looks. You'll open a new tab on your Chrome browser or whatever. You click on it. Okay, so this is your website. It loads your website and it's very okay. This is just let's say a practice. You can do better than this. I just use it to show you how you can be able to do it. I hope you can see the video is playing. That's the video we added to the website. You can add as many videos as you want. You can add more than 5 videos. Any amount of videos you want to add, you can add it. And you can also add links in this website. You can add anything you want to add. You're free to do anything on this website. So adding videos is not a difficult thing to do. You can just share your link to anybody you want to share it to, and they're going to come to your website and view your products. Okay, I said I'm going to be showing you how to shorten your link. If you want to shorten your link, if your link is long, you go to Chrome and just type shorten link. Once you click on shorten link, it will load out a website for you. You can see Bitly does shorten links. You click on this 3 dash, click on create new, click on link. Now you paste your link here, paste. Then you click on create. It's going to shorten your link for you. You see, your link has been edited. Then you click on copy. Then you save the link. I have an account here that I can save my link. So let's preview the link. You see, the link is just short. It's no longer long the way we have it then. So if you're enjoying this video, if you like this video, I want you to click on the like button and also click on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you'll be notified by YouTube whenever we drop a useful video like this. Please share this video to your friends so that they'll also benefit and also keep up with the new trend that is going on. And I'm going to be dropping more videos with much value, educating you and also teaching you on how to make money online and to create websites without stress and also free of charge. Thank you.